Now let's look at adding another component to a structure. So in this case here, we're just going to add a component on row 66. The easiest way is to copy the data from row 65. Using standard Excel, we'll just paste the data in. Now we'll change the component item number. We're going to make it an invalid number, and this will show the validation process for you. But to really tighten the criteria down, we'll put the header at the same level as the component, so we only upload the one record. You can see here that the item number is invalid. Now we have a couple of options here. We can just go in and change the item number like this, or we could use the user form. In this case we'll just do it in Excel, and then we'll upload that record again. Now let's take our structure and paste it into a new sheet and download it, and we'll see the additional component that we've added to the structure. However, you'll notice here with the data that it's not actually put it in an order that's nice and easy to use. Within the Product Definition Module, you have the option here to format the data, so we can specify the sheet ordering. In our case, we're going to add the item sequence as another ordering option. And the data has been reordered in a way that's useful.